What is up everybody, Gistic here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your voice in Audacity. Let's get into it. Okay, so you guys are probably wondering, what do you mean by change your voice, like in what way or whatever. Yeah, so we're going to be changing the pitch and speed today, which is a very easy thing to do, and yeah, I'm just going to show you how to do it real quick. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is actually just record your audio, which is pretty obvious. I'm just going to record like a little test, just so it kind of gives you guys like an example. This is a test, boy. Yeah, man. Alright, that was an awesome clip. Now we're going to change the speed. So what you want to do to change the speed is actually select your audio. Alright, so after you've selected it, go to Effect. And then you want to go to Change Speed. And here is the little menu it brings you to. And as you can see, our current length is 4.7 seconds. So we're going to drag that down. Oh yeah, so going to the right makes it quicker, and going it to the left makes it longer. So we're going to preview what it's like when it is 9 seconds.
This is a test, boy.
Oh my god, that's creepy as. Alright, so then we're going to give it a little test when it's 2 seconds. And it's going to be really fast. I'm probably going to sound very high pitch and like I'm on Adderall.
This is a test, boy. Yeah, man.
I actually sound like Alvin from Alvin the Chipmunks. Yeah, that's basically it for the speed. Just don't touch these. There's no need. Yeah, and that's it for the speed. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys how to change the pitch of your voice without slowing it down or making it faster. So you're going to go to Effect, and then you're going to go Change Pitch. And then, boy, you're going to leave these. And then this is the only thing you want to touch. To make your voice more high pitched, you drag it to the right. To make your voice deeper, drag it to the left. So drag it to the left a bit, and we're going to preview it.
This is a test, boy. Yeah, man.
And if you want higher quality stretching, which just means it won't sound as like you're mumbling or whatever. I don't know. It'll sound more clearer if you check this. So we're going to preview it.
This is a test, boy. Yeah, man.
I sound like a robot a little bit, but as you can see, it's high quality. And then to make your voice a higher pitch, drag it to the right.
This is a test, boy. Yeah, man.
I love this. Alright, so that's basically it for this video, I guess. If this video did help you in any way, shape or form, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, leave a comment and I'll be sure to reply. If I don't reply, I'm sorry. I will try. Yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you have a good day. I'll post out.